Welcome. You're listening because you want the core insights and you want them efficiently. Today, we're tackling generative AI. It's really this huge technological force right now.
It absolutely is. There's a lot of noise around it, but fundamentally, generative AI, well, it's about algorithms learning patterns from data to create completely new content.
New content, so like text, images, dot audio, even code.
Exactly. It's different from older AI that mostly classified or predicted things. This stuff makes things,
Yeah.
builds new versions, you could say.
Okay, creating, not just sorting. Got it. And our mission here is really to distill what matters most from the latest intel on its impact and future path.
Right. Let's cut through the hype and get to the substance.
So going back to that core function, creating new stuff, it's essentially automating creativity, isn't it? Across loads of industries.
That's a good way to put it. Automation of creative and, frankly, sometimes tedious tasks. Take software development, for instance.
Yeah, the code assistants, like
Yeah.
GitHub Copilot.
Precisely. Tools like Copilot, Codeium. The search interest for AI code assistant spiked, was it 4,500%? That's not just idle curiosity.
4,500%. Wow. So developers are actually using this stuff to like speed things up.
Massively. They report significant time savings, letting them focus on, harder problems. It's a real efficiency boost.
Okay, so coding's a big one, but you mentioned other areas. Marketing popped up in the research, right?
Oh, definitely. Think presentations. AI tools that help build them saw a 99-fold jump in search growth. People are looking for ways to streamline that whole process.
99 times. Okay. And what about publishing? I saw something about AI and book writing.
Yeah, that one's maybe a bit more out there for some, but interest in AI book writing tools surged 8,800%. It
Okay.
shows this drive to accelerate content creation pretty much everywhere.
It's just the scale's enormous. What about audio? Like for audiobooks or maybe voiceovers?
Another huge area, text to audio AI. The search interest there climbed 9,500%. It's
Yeah.
making producing audio content way easier, much more accessible.
So, across the board, the way things are made, code, presentations, books, audio, it's fundamentally shifting.
It really is.
Which brings us to the people, right? The workforce. How are jobs changing because of this?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We saw that Microsoft and LinkedIn report. Pretty eye-opening.
Right, something like 75% of knowledge workers are already using AI.
75%. And 90% of them say it saves them time. That's huge.
And employers, are they looking for AI skills now?
Very much so. The report found 66% of leaders would actually prefer a candidate with AI skills, even if they had a bit less traditional experience.
Wow. So knowing how to use the AI is becoming a key skill in itself.
It seems that way. It's about leveraging the tools effectively.
And companies themselves, are they adopting this tech widely, investing in it?
The data says yes. About 71% of companies are already using generative AI in at least one business function.
71%. Okay.
And maybe even more telling, 92% are planning to increase their investment in it.
So it's not just dipping a toe in, they're going in.
Seems like a strategic move for many, yeah. They see the potential for transformation.
Which leads to the ethical side. All this power, it must come with risks, right? Bias, misuse.
Absolutely critical point.
Yeah.
The AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, the AI's output can be too. It's a major concern.
And things like deepfakes, AI generating fake video or audio.
Yeah, that poses a real threat to, trust and information integrity. We need ways to manage this.
Is that where AI governance comes in? I saw search interest for that term was up significantly too.
Over 1,200%, yeah. There's a growing awareness that we need frameworks, AI guardrails, as some call them, to ensure this technology is used responsibly and ethically.
Guardrails, that makes sense. Finding that balance between pushing innovation forward and, well, managing the downside.
Exactly. It's crucial.
So looking beyond the immediate impact, what's the longer view? Where else might this tech take us?
Well, the potential seems vast. Think healthcare AI generating medical reports, maybe even helping design personalized treatment plans.
10, education.
Custom learning materials for every student. AI tutors. Lots of possibilities there.
Entertainment too, I imagine. AI writing scripts or composing music.
For sure. We're already seeing AI creating art, music, even rudimentary scripts. It's pushing creative boundaries, but again, always with that need for ethical oversight.
Right. So boiling it all down, the main takeaway seems to be that generative AI isn't just hype. It's powerful, it's evolving fast, and it's changing how we work, how we create, maybe even how we live.
Couldn't agree more. It's a fundamental shift we're witnessing.
Which brings us to a final thought for you listening. As this AI gets woven deeper into everything, what's your responsibility in navigating it? What questions should you be asking about how these tools are built and used, especially as they get smarter and, well, more creative? Something to think about.